something to Camila.
Joyeux anniversaire in French.
Yeah.
See you in French.
Yeah, say she's a nice girl, she's very pretty
Girl, nice girl, what's your
and funny.
I'm funny.
Yeah.
Se acha,
Se acha cabeção, but she's nice.
She's nice.
Say something to Camila.
What?
Something to Camila. Say something.
Joyeux anniversaire.
I don't know what that means. Say in English.
Non, en français c'est bien.
No, in English.
Eh, pourquoi pas en français?
Oh, Max, please, Max, say in English.
Bonjour,
No.
je m'appelle José.
What the hell is that? What the hell is that? Like you're hot, I like you, you're fucking nice. Is that?
Il casse les McDo, il aime bien les chants et puis...
No. Say in English, please, quick. Say in English. In English. You're a nice guy, girl. I like you. You're nice.
The Pingu in Groenland.
Oh, come on, please.
I don't know.
Ah, you're shy. Okay.
Yeah, why not?
But just say it. Oh, you're a nice guy, girl.
You love the parties in la musique.
Yeah, I love the favelas and I love the...
No. Say about her. What do you think about her? She's a nice girl, right? She's funny but don't say about her beauty because we all know she's pretty. Say like she's nice, she's funny, and she is. But say, come on, Gucci. You lost your time, Gucci. Tell something to Camila.
Ok, bon anniversaire Camila. Et quand tu seras au Portugal, tu as intérêt de
No,
venir.
say in English.
Non, c'est plus facile.
No, I don't. We don't know French.
Elle va traduire.
No, please say in English. You know English. No.
I don't speak in English.
You know English.
So, happy birthday Camila. And when you are in Europe, even if you are in Portugal, you really have to take a plane or a train or something like that to come in France. And
What do you think about her? She's a so nice girl.
she's...
Damn nice girl. Nice. She's funny.
I just say that it's myself. I say that it's not Fernanda. She is very nice girl. She is funny, and
Come on, Gucci, really. I know you can.
again, she is very nice. And she is too shy, and she always believes that she is not beautiful, but in fact she is.
She's so beautiful. Yeah. Gali, fala alguma coisa pra Camila.
Prima, Camelona, parabéns, boa sorte na sua viagem. Cacão, coxa o rei, Portugal, obrigado.
Coxa regaça, pega geral. E quem faltou aí?
Pega geral.
Não, tô com vergonha agora que eu filmei. Vai! Tá, aproveita. Meu, se divirta e tem um... Eu tô com vergonha. Eu vou falar, Vai, Fernanda. Se divirta, você é muito legal. Verdade, você é... Todo mundo se... Como fala? Weird talk.
Ô, papá.
In English. You're such a nice girl. You're funny, I know. I'm that Que bonitinho.
Did it?
Pronto, cancela, senão vai ficar chato.
Armou. Armou.